Yeah. You smile across the room, then look away too soon, leaving little clues beneath the silver moon. I think I learned your ways, every move, every sign. But then you change the game and leave me lost in time.
You call just when I think you finally let me go. You know the words I need before I even know. We're walking on a wire stretch between truth and disguise, always trying to read between each other's eyes.
Will you stay? Will you run? Will you turn and disappear? Every moment with you keeps me guessing, my dear.
Like shadows in the light, we dance without a plan.
Still somehow, heart to heart,
we always understand.
no matter what you do,
I know I want you still.
even if I never know what move you'll make until you leave a note behind, then arrive before it's read. You speak in quiet riddles that keep spinning in my head.
I think I've seen the future every time you touch my hand, but loving you has taught me not to think I understand.
And maybe that's the magic that keeps us both alive, two restless souls discovering new reasons to survive.
No scripts and no rehearsals, no promises in stone, yet every road I travel somehow leads me home.
Will you laugh? Will you cry?
Will you change the stars tonight?
Every mystery you bring only
Pulls me in tighter, like waves upon the shore, forever coming through.
I spend my days wondering
What you'll do,
no matter where
you go, no matter where you've been, I'll keep on chasing all the secrets hidden in your grin.
maybe love was never meant to be completely known.
Maybe every heartbeat writes a story of its own.
So keep me guessing,
Keep me dreaming,
keep me reaching for your hand.
we'll write tomorrow's chapter,
Though neither of us
understands.
and if the years go by
And we're still playing this game,
I'll still be watching closely,
when you whisper my name,
because the wonder never fades.
it only grows with time.
Two hearts forever searching,
Forever intertwined.
no,
No, I don't need the answers,
I don't need to see the end.
just stay beside me. Mystery, my lover and my friend.
Keep me guessing, keep me near,
And I'll keep choosing you year after year.
dancing softly as you wave your hand. You laugh with everybody, but you don't know me. I'm just another stranger in your memory. 1,000 words are waiting on the tip of my tongue, but every time you're near me, they come undone. If only I could tell you how I really feel. If only
hide the page, keeping all these feelings locked inside a cage. Sometimes our eyes meet for just a second or two, and for a moment I believe you feel it too. If only I could tell you what my heart has known. If only I could stop pretending I'm alone. If only courage found me before you walk away. Maybe we'd be writing our own story someday. If only, if only, if only you could hear the words I cannot say. Another day is fading as the evening falls. Oh yeah, I wonder if you'll ever know who missed your calls. Oh yeah, life keeps moving quickly, chances come and go, and silence can become the heaviest thing to hold. Maybe tomorrow I'll finally break these chains before the secret love becomes another pain. If only I could reach out and take your hand. If only you'd understand. If only all this waiting wasn't just a dream. Maybe we'd be more than what we've always been. If only, if only, if only love would find a way for you and me. What if you smiled and said you've been feeling it too? What if all this time you've been afraid like me too? Maybe we're both standing on opposite sides, waiting for somebody to turn the tide. Tonight I promise I won't let fear decide, because some lives are worth the risk to try. If only, if only, no more hiding, no more wondering why. If only, if only, if only, if only, if only the secret love could finally come alive.
The moon is rising over the ocean, silver dancing on the tide. Barefoot footprints in the warm sand, with your hand resting close to mine. Palm trees swaying in the midnight breeze, soft waves whisper to the shore. And in this quiet piece of heaven, I couldn't ask for anything more. Under these island stars tonight, we're wrapped in moon and firelight. Just you and me beside the sea, where love feels endless and free. The world can wait till morning comes, for now our hearts beat as
sea, where love feels endless and free. The world can't wait till morning comes, for now our hearts beat as one. Under these island stars so bright, I'm right where I belong tonight. If time could stop, I'd keep this moment forever shining in my heart. This tropical night, this endless feeling, a love no distance could ever part. Under these island stars tonight, with waves and moonbeams shining bright, just you and me beside the sea, writing our story endlessly. As long as stars fill up the sky and oceans kiss the midnight tide, I'll hold you close through every night. Under these island stars tonight. Under these island stars, just you and me, forever by the sea. Under these island stars, ooh, just you and me, forever by the sea.
The city lights are shining through the rain tonight, reflections dancing softly in your eyes. Every little moment feels like something new, like a summer breeze beneath the painted sky. I never thought a simple touch could change my world, but somehow everything feels right with you. Right here beside you, I can feel the world slow down. Every beat between us lifts me off the ground. Wherever life may lead us, I know what is true. My heart keeps coming back, right here beside you. We drive beneath the midnight stars along the coast, windows open wide to let the memories in. Your laughter fills the silence like a favorite song, and I don't want this feeling ever to end. The future may be waiting just beyond the dawn, but tonight is all I need to hold on to. Right here beside you, every shadow fades away. You turn the darkest evening into brightest day. No matter where tomorrow finds me passing through, my heart keeps coming back, right here beside you. There will be days when storms day starts, I'll still be reaching out for you. Right here beside you, dreams are closer than before. Every step together makes me want you more. Through every changing season, one thing stays in view. My heart keeps coming back
finally made it home. We were just two lines that crossed too soon, lost in different shades of blue. But time can bend and hearts can learn. Some flames were meant to burn. If you reach, I'll meet you there, halfway between hope and repair. From London streets to New York skies, love never really says goodbye. We were lost, but not alone. Now every road leads us back home.
Take it slow tonight. The sun is falling through the window pane, golden light dancing on your face. The world keeps rushing, but we're not in that race. We've got nowhere to be today. The radio is playing soft and low, your hand resting easy in mine. The clock keeps ticking, but we let it go. We're just enjoying the ride. Let's take it slow tonight. Leave all our worries behind. Just you and me beneath these stars. No need to hurry through life. Let's take it slow tonight. Let the music fill the sky. Hold me close and stay a while. Everything feels right tonight. I've seen hard days and winding roads, dreams that slip right through my hands. But every step somehow brought me here, to a love that understands. The city lights are shining far away, but they don't matter anymore. I've got all I need right here beside me. What else could I be looking for? Let's take it slow tonight. Leave all our worries behind. Just you and me beneath these stars. No need to hurry through life. Let's take it slow tonight. Let the music fill the sky. Hold me close and stay a while. Everything feels right tonight. Tomorrow can wait till the morning comes. Tonight belongs to us alone. No plans, no pressure, no running around. Just a place where our hearts feel at home. just you and me beneath these stars. Oh, no need to hurry through life. Let's take it slow tonight. Let the music fill the sky. Hold me close and stay a while. Everything feels right tonight. Take it slow. Take it slow tonight. Take it slow. Just you and me. Everything feels right tonight. From London to New York, then California sky, westbound through the morning. I keep your face in mind. Sydney on the window, koalas in my sleep, but your name is calling across the widest sea. The journey keeps on turning, hour by hour, by road and rain. I hold your voice inside me like a map I can't explain. My love, I will see you soon. I will see you soon. The journey is long, but I hold on. I will see you soon. Meet me halfway if you cannot wait, but I trust in the dawn. I will see you soon. Port Moresby is shining under the bird of paradise. Every mile gets lighter when I picture your eyes. I count the nights between us on my fingers one by one, and every mile says clearly I am not done. Now will see you soon. I will see you soon. Soon I will see you soon. I was walking through the shadows of yesterday's rain, carrying a heart full of worry and pain. Every road seemed longer than it had to be, like the world forgot the dreams inside of me. Then a breeze came softly through my open door, whispered, you don't have to hurt no more. And I felt the sunshine reaching through the gray, bringing hope I thought had slipped away. Oh, the winds of change are blowing through my life, turning all my darkness into morning light, lifting me higher than I've ever been before, opening windows, opening doors. The winds of change are singing sweet and free, bringing out the very best in me. And I'm dancing to a brand new melody, carried by the winds of change. Now I'm looking at tomorrow with a different view, seeing colors in the sky I never knew. Every step feels lighter than it did before, like my feet have found a brand new floor. Friends can see the sparkle growing in my eyes. They can hear it in my laugh and in my smile. What was broken has been mended by the day, and my heart has found a better way. Oh, the winds of change
coat on the chair, like maybe you'll call tonight. Your name in my phone lit up, then gone before it's right. I caught your eyes on me once, then you looked away too fast. I'm standing here with this truth, wanting a moment to last. If you only knew how I save my heart for you, every small chance, every sign, I'm still here, I'm still trying. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. I remember your voice in the hall when you said my name like rain. I wanted to answer so bad, but I swallowed all that pain. You may not see what I see, or maybe you're scared to try. I'm not asking for forever, just a reason and a light. If you only knew how I saved my heart for you, every small chance, every sign, I'm still here, I'm still trying. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. If you're unsure, I'll be soft. If you're afraid, I'll stay. I won't force the door open, I'll wait for you that way. But don't leave me in the dark with my hands full of you. Say yes, say no, say something, I need the truth from you. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. Don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. Let me love you, let me prove it. Let me love you.